The platform supports a multi-workspace structure. This way, different projects can be managed in isolation from a single panel. Operational security and access management are ensured through detailed role assignment and resource allocation on the system. VMS. It is the video management and ingest automation system where your video content is transcoded and ready for publishing. You can think of it as your video archive library. We will upload our videos here first to create a fast channel. CMS. If you create your applications with Earthstream products, this is the panel where content flows, pages, lists, and all metadata information of your content are managed. All permissions can be customized on a user basis. CRM, the product where user accounts and membership processes on your applications are managed. Video AI. This product monitors your satellite TV broadcasts and detects ad scenes within these channels. You can receive these detections as notifications, perform ad count verifications, or trigger your digital ad campaigns on platforms like Google Ads Manager or Facebook Ads. Local R. This is the section where you can manage all words and translations across all language options in your application. In this way, you can reach your users with your own terminology and produce multi-language apps. Stats. The reporting tool where content traffic is monitored and viewing data and performance reports are analyzed in detail. Rapid ODP. This is where the integration processes of all products are managed, and application setup and administration are carried out. We can manage all created applications on a version basis and edit appearance details on a component basis. Fast TV makes it easy to get your content up and running on live channels so you can reach a wider audience. The channel creation process consists of 3 to 4 simple steps. The first step is importing content into the FAST panel. You can find VMS encoded content using the search bar by name or reference ID. Once you select and confirm the content you wish to import, these files will be ready to be scheduled in your channel. Next step, groups. Create a new group and give it a name. Fill out the needed information by selecting your content and specifying the order. Just ensure the template matches, save it, and you're done. Now, let's create the channel. On the creation screen, simply fill out the needed information. Give it a name, assign the template, and specify details like the offline placeholder and DVR length. Click Create and you're done. Your channel is now ready. The final step is scheduling. Navigate to the Schedule tab, give it a URL safe name, set the start date, and specify the loop status. Drag and drop your content groups into the sequence, and that's it. You can watch the live channel created from your VOD content via the player. You can also follow the broadcast schedule from the EPG list.